Hello everyone, and welcome to this quick and easy tutorial. In today's video, I'm excited to guide you through the simple process of deleting your WhatsApp status on your iPhone or Android device. WhatsApp status is a fantastic feature that lets you share photos, videos, or text updates with your contacts, which automatically disappear after 24 hours, similar to stories on other social media platforms. However, there might be times when you post a status and later decide it's not quite right, whether it's a photo you no longer want to share or a message that needs to be removed. Don't worry, it's super easy to delete a status, and I'll walk you through the steps to do it quickly, whether you're removing a single status or multiple updates at once. Let's dive in and get started. First, open WhatsApp, go to the Status tab, and then tap on My Status. For example, if I want to delete a specific status, I will tap on the three dots next to it. Then, tap on Delete, and confirm by tapping on Delete one status update. If you want to delete multiple statuses at once, tap on Edit. Select the statuses you want to delete, then tap on Delete in the bottom left corner. Confirm by tapping on Delete Number Status Updates. So that is how you delete your status on WhatsApp. Thank you.